In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious all-in-one sausage recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need egg noodles, 1 pound of ground sausage, 1 onion diced, half a green pepper diced, 1 tomato diced, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 garlic cloves shredded, and half a cup of sour cream. In a pot overheat, we're going to add in the oil. Add the onions and saute them. Add the green pepper and continue to saute. Season with the salt. Add in the tomatoes and continue to saute. Add in the sausage and cook thoroughly. Season with the garlic, pepper, chicken bouillon, and the paprika. Add in the sour cream and mix until it's completely combined. Add in 6 cups of water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add in the egg noodles. Cover with a lid and cook the noodles completely. Once the noodles are cooked, we're going to remove from the heat. Take out onto a plate. Our all-in-one sausage dinner recipe is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.